SAP caught your attention because of salaries, job stability, or global demand, then stay with me. SAP is great, but it is only one of the skills of a much bigger career category. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you skills that pay like SAP but are not SAP. Recently I have spoken a lot about SAP and many of you resonated as well, especially if you are looking for a career switch or upgrading your skills. But here's an important thing. SAP is not the destination. SAP is just part of the pattern. And once you understand the pattern, you will realize that you have multiple career options and not just one. SAP pays well, not because it's trending or exciting. It pays well because big companies depend on it. It touches critical business processes, and very few people actually understand it deeply. Now, here is the good news. SAP is not the only skill like this, which means an even bigger job market. If SAP makes sense to you, then these skills will make even more sense. The first skill is Salesforce and CRM strategy. Just like SAP runs operations, Salesforce runs revenue. Large companies build their sales, marketing, and customer data around CRM. If something breaks or need upgradation, they don't call freshers, they call specialists. And for this, you don't need to be a hardcore coder. But what you exactly need is business workflows, data movement, and process optimization. Sound familiar? Exactly. Next skill is data analytics. Not the Instagram version, but the business version. Businesses don't pay for dashboards, they pay for decisions. Yes, your data analytics should actually result into a business decision. It may be cost optimization, revenue growth, reducing a downtime, efficiency improvement, or revenue insight. It should result into something very concrete and ready to take next step. If you are able to do such deep analytics, you can be paid very well and you become a very valuable resource for the organization. Tools can be many. It can be Power BI, it can be SQL. But the real thing is your understanding of the business processes and your ability to solve problems through data. This skill is very underrated. Business system analyst or functional consultant. These people sit between business teams, technical teams, and management. And they understand business processes and not just tools. SAP consultants usually become these later in their career, and that is enough to tell you how powerful this career can be. When people hear about cybersecurity, they often think about hacking. Reality is, high paying jobs are often boring. And exactly that's why they are paid well. So, cybersecurity is all about governance, risk mitigation, and auditing. They are very, very important profession for an organization. The larger the organization, the larger is the risk of data breach and data leakage. Hence, it becomes very important for organizations to hire cybersecurity professionals. These professionals ensure that the organization data is not breached. The emails that will be received by the employees and the emails that employees can send back. All these things are controlled by cybersecurity team. Not only antiviruses, but they use a lot of tools to save an organization's data. Whether it is an employee's data bank, that is HRIS data, or it is financial data, or legal data, or compliances data, every single data of an organization belongs to the organization and should be preserved by all means. No organization in the world can afford a data breach or leakage of data. Hence, it makes these professionals even more important for all the organization. And the way the governance and auditings are becoming tight, this becomes even more important. Right from your patents to the new innovations and the new things that an organization is up to, the kind of innovation they want to bring in, anything and everything can be lost with one single data breach. And that's why these professionals are paid so high, so they can save an organization from a lot of risks. And let me simplify. All these careers have something in common. They support business critical systems. They are not glamorous and companies cannot afford mistakes. All these roles are super critical. Governance, compliances, audits are becoming even more important than ever. And needless to say, that's why they pay high. So instead of asking, should I learn SAP or not? You should be asking yourself, which business critical skill suits my background as well as my patience. That's how long-term careers are built. And if you want, I can break down any of these careers just like I have done it for SAP, step by step, beginner friendly. Let me know in the comments out of these four skills: Salesforce or CRM, data analytics, business analyst, or cybersecurity. So just let me know in the comments. Remember, tools change, but business problems don't. So you have to use your tool to solve somebody's business problem. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.